So this is what it looks like outside right now. It's not really, it's actually quite cloudy. If you can see, there are no shadows whatsoever. Look at the sky, no sun, right? And at this time, I'm still generating about 500 watts. Uh, so let's go back and let me show you. Okay, and as you can see, I am doing 550 watts. That's about give or take uh, 50 amps or 60 amps thereabouts. 50 to 60 amps. But this charge controller is capable of doing it's capable of doing 80 amps. I have a 12 volts 1.6 kilowatts inverter. Alright, so as you can see there, it's currently, so that's 1.6 kVA. You would see that no input, but I am doing 4.9% load. So right now my fridge is on. I think that's about all, but this takes my inverter AC also, and I have two batteries. These are capable of taking my ACs at, I think, roughly 27 degrees. Yeah, it run my inverter ACs all night. So this is the system I have. I have 10,000. I have 8 panels on the roof, 550 watts each, and that gives me roughly 6,000 watts of power during the day. It gives me, yeah, 4,000 watts of power. So I get as much as when the sun is in at full capacity with this. So this panel, this charge controller is actually capable of giving me up to, I can actually get up to 4,000 watts with this charge controller, but because I'm on 12 volts, it does a maximum of 1,100 when the sun is at its peak. So this is what we have right now. And yeah, so far so good. It's doing the job. So I use the inverter ACs only on this system, this gem power to be specific. So this is one of the ACs, the gem power. When I turn it on, it does about 400 watts, so 500 watts in gen mode. So if I turn it on now and then I put it on, so you see I always leave it in L1 mode, and then I can keep it at 27 28 amps, 28 degrees, which is usually okay for me. So if I put it at this, you'll see what the inverter is doing as load now. So you see here we have, let's see, we have 53% on the inverter, right? And my battery is at 12.5, right? That's because I have two, right? Before it would have gone down to 16. And you see, I think the sun has probably gone down even more, but it's capable of, this is producing almost enough power to power it, but not enough. Normally, if the AC is on, the fridge are on, it should usually take about 800 watts to do this, but this is where we are right now. So this is what you can do with 8 panels, 550 watts, and the 12 volt system, basically.